So a little base model LS3 drone here.
Oh, LS3 drone, huh?
LS3 drone.
Sick, really getting with the lingo.
As opposed to the LS2 drone.
Nice.
In the base models. It's got a Haltech intake and a gauge and some shit. I'm guessing it's probably tuned. I'm guessing 410.
I'm guessing 455.
God, you both wrong. I'll be shocked if this thing makes 430.
Is that where you're going with 430?
428 on the button.
Okay. I think I've got this in the bag.
I can't wait till it makes 500.
Yeah. What can I say, you know?
Oh, he's got heat going on it too. He's ready to rock.
Yeah. Boy.
Ready to rock. This has a retrofit NPP on it. Like, he has the aftermarket NPP system.
So
It has a button, and he said he left a note in like the ashtray or whatever.
Yeah, I seen
but
the
like
button.
you have to open it up manually.
from the 09 and up, the water pumps for A&A kits. It's a similar one to the 01, so it's got dowels like an LSA one for the bracket for idlers. So all you have to do is, if you have an 09 and up, you have to cut off these four flush because the belt routing for the A&A kit's gonna go right there.
Oh, okay.
So these cars must be super fun with an A&A on it.
Oh, I bet.
Even without a camera, like this guy, just bolt-ons and a little headers now and a pane, probably rips.
That one Fran took me for a ride in that made 930 wheel or whatever.
Oh, that's a little different, but yeah.
I mean, it was still an A&A.
On a built motor on meth and all that.
Yeah.
Yes, Garrett, I'm worried.
Yeah, it says try both of them. Which one's hotter?
I think
wanna try
personally, I think the Atomic is hotter, but the last app's supposed to be hotter.
Okay.
I think the last app just wins.
Which one of you wants to take over here?
There you go. I'm gonna put a good amount on. Like a dime.
A dime.
So I like dip fries in the ashtray.
It smells strange.
Oh, you're going at it.
Whoa! Was that too much?
I don't know.
That's probably too much, isn't it? Oh, whatever. I'm sending it.
Oh, you're fine.
It actually tastes good. It's got a good flavor to it. Definitely tastes like a ghost pepper in it.
Let's see what we're working with here. Show the guys.
It's fucking
I'm
hot.
not used to using this camera, everybody, so just bear with me here. The last dab.
It's hot.
X. Customer actually bought us that. And the other one.
It's getting hotter.
Oh man, you're getting really serious here.
It's hot. It's pretty fucking hot.
All right, let's wait about 15 minutes, then we'll come back to the other one. How's that?
All right.
I would do it back to back.
We'll burn it
It's
a little bit.
spicy. That's it. The whole reputation of it, so that's why I had me like kind of bumps. You know, it's supposed to be. If you ever watch like the YouTube series, like people die. They're like dying.
But imagine eating like a whole wing, or like.
Well, it's you only put one dab on it. That's the whole point of it.
Yeah.
They don't like coat the wing in it.
Well, no, the wing is covered in sauce too.
Not that sauce though, because they just put a little boop.
No, they still add extra.
Oh, really?
It's already covered in that sauce.
Oh.
They just.
I thought it was a naked wing. They just add the sauce to like one little dab.
No, the dab is extra.
So if you had a wing of that, you think it'd be pretty bad?
I feel like just like a wing coated in that. Like I feel like I could get through it.
Give me
But
some ranch. I could
I'd be hurting. I'd be hurting a little bit.
5 minutes after the last one.
Yeah, yeah. I'm good.
I don't have any heat in my mouth. I
have a little bit of heat, but
the other one, my initial reaction was it was going to get real bad, but it didn't.
yeah, it hits you quick.
It hit quick, but it didn't really. And that was one drop for me, so I'm really going to test it out. So I have like an idea of what, like, you know. Shake this stuff up. It's been sitting in the fridge for a while. This one's actually cold too. It's been in the fridge, which I don't think you're supposed to.
I don't know.
Yeah.
One's looking chunky like salsa.
I don't know if that's a good thing. Matt put a shitload of this on a taco once because he thought it was like not bad, and it went big on him.
Will he destroy himself?
That one more in there. Equal out what I got with the other one. That's about what I got with the other one. This one's way worse, dude. Holy.
Really?
Yeah, like way worse. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one. Holy.
I've heard the flavor's bad too.
That one is, dude.
Your turn.
I need to go get some candy or something.
As much as I did on the other one. I'm trusting you that it's
Do
hot
more than
this
one
time.
drop. I did back to back comparing it to what I did before. Oh no!
Oh yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah, it's only on the chip. You have to do it.
All right.
Good luck, pal. Ew.
Yeah.
God.
It tastes so bad.
Oh, that was fucking foul.
I'm eating Pringles and Skittles together.
Oh,
How's the heat level? Worse.
it's hot.
It's worse than the last dab.
Yes.
It feels about.
No way.
I don't know.
Remember, you had double the amount.
Oh man,
You gotta wash your mouth out so you can eat it.
God, that one tastes so bad. What else do you have left to do to this to prep it for the A&A install? Are you just about ready?
I'm about to key the crank. Just gonna get rid of the power steering cooler, because that's where the tubing goes.
Got it.
So yeah, I'm about to pin the crank, and then after I pin the crank, I'll probably start doing the intercooler, the shielding, drop brackets for this.
Gotcha.
We'll move on to the bracket and stuff.
Can you get some of that though?
You.
Man, Garrett, really getting in there with the camera. Good to see you. Tomorrow? Yeah. Like, bring in some.
interesting. Looks like it's all coming together.
All right, this is a 2012 base C6 automatic that we did an A&A kit on. And obviously from Connecticut, everything that came with that. So injectors, booster pump, etc. It baselined 413. So it should pick up just pump gas, no meth. It should pick up 150. My guess. So we'll see. It may make a little more than that. Just depends how much boost, but generally 150 is a fair bet. No, it'll make more than that. Yeah, it'll probably make like 580. Depends how much boost. If it makes like 9 or 10 pounds, it'll probably make 600. It'll probably pick up close to 200. And it's got a 3.8 pulley, so I don't know if it'll make that much boost, but we'll find out. It's a V3T trim blower. .567, 521 torque. Made 8.6 pounds, so this thing will make 600. It'll make 600. It may get better on the next pull. If it doesn't, we'll just have to replace the sensor. Okay, let's see what a new sensor does. About once a month, we need to clean out like the whole wideband module, so we may need to do that, but I'm hoping we don't. .576, 532, made 8.9 pounds. It looks like it's leveling off a little bit up top, so when Eric gets back from lunch, I'm gonna have him snug the belt a little bit. Kyle, tighten the belt on this thing. Let's see what we got. I don't know if I'm like not hitting the button. Remember it did that the other day? I don't know if I'm not hitting the button or something's f***ed up. Yeah, it made like almost 11 pounds of boost though. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, 10.5 pounds. There we go. So I'm pulling some timing out of this. So it may make a little less horsepower. We'll see. There was also a little lean, so I added some fuel, so we'll see what it does. See what we got. 143, so it lost 8 horsepower and 6 foot-pounds of torque. But I took a degree and a half out of it, so that's fine. I'm gonna leave it there. What did this thing baseline again? 413, so it picked up almost 200. We're gonna put a little VHT down, just because I'm gonna try and do a second gear pull on this when I do the trans. Air fuel was perfect, like 11.5 during the whole thing. All right. It's pretty stout. This thing picked up, we'll call it 190 wheel. All we did was bolt on a blower. Pretty stout. Should be a whole new car. You should be happy with it. Later.